Now we will be starting with the 11th chapter, that is constructions. The first type of constructions that we are going to see is the division of a line segment. That is, if you are given a line segment of any measurement, then you can divide it in a given ratio. And how you can do that, that will be the first construction. So this is question number 1 of exercise 11.1. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Also measure the two parts. So first we will draw a rough figure. First step will be to draw a line segment, that is AB, of length 7.6 cm. Then we are supposed to divide it in the ratio 5:8. That is, we will be locating any point C between A and B such that AC is to CB will be 5:8. So first I am going to draw line segment AB, and this is of length 7.6 cm. Next step is to draw any acute angle. So this is any ray AX that I am drawing such that this angle that is formed, this angle is an acute angle. So angle BAX can be any acute angle. Now the total parts are 5 plus 8, that is 13. We are supposed to divide this AX into 13 equal parts. So for that I have measured a very small length on the compass, and with that I am going to make 13 equal divisions of this line AX. So I am dividing AX into 13 equal parts by cutting these equal arcs. So 13 arcs have been made on AX. You can name these points as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, so on till A13. There will be 13 such arcs. Now next you will be joining A13, this last point, to this point B. So you will join A13B. Now next I am supposed to construct a parallel line from A5 going parallel to A13B. So for that I am going to copy this angle at this point A5. So right now what I am doing is I am copying the angle. So for that I have taken arc of any measure. Then I have kept the pointer at A13 and A5 and I have cut these two arcs. So this is the first arc that I am cutting, and then without changing the radius from A5 I have cut one more arc. Then measure this angle. I am measuring this angle. Then this point again I am going to measure the same angle. Now this point, when you connect with A5 and extend, you will get a line going parallel to A13B. So next step is to join A5 to this point where these two arcs are cutting. And the line will be extended. Now these two lines are parallel to each other. This point you can mark it as C. So A5C and A13B, they are parallel to each other. And this ratio AC is to CB will be 5:8. Now you also have to measure these parts. So that is measure of AC. AC is coming approximately 2.9 centimeters, and CB also we will measure. CB is coming approximately 4.7 centimeters. Now we are going to look at the justification of the construction that we have just done. That is, AC is to CB. Why this is in the ratio 5:8. So if we consider this triangle A13B, then in this triangle we have A5C going parallel to A13B. That is, line joining the other two sides is parallel to the third side. So therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, in triangle AA13B, we have AC by CB is equal to AA5 by A5A13. So this ratio we get by the basic proportionality theorem. So therefore, now AA5 by A5A13 is equal to 5 by 8. This is by construction. We have divided this into 13 parts. A5 till here we have 5 parts, and from A5 to A13 we have 8 parts. So therefore this same ratio will be equal to AC by CB also. That is, AC by CB is also equal to 5 by 8. Hence our construction is justified.